Hello guys and welcome back again on the DApp World. In the previous tutorial we discussed about what is Solana, why we use Solana and some of the topics that we will discuss in this course. Now in this tutorial let's install some dependencies. In order to start with the Solana development we need some frameworks, packages, tools, etc. So install the following requirements according to your operating system. The first thing we need is code editor. I personally prefer VS Code. You can use any one of your choice. To download and install VS Code, you can visit their website. Download the setup according to your operating system and follow the installation instructions as given. The second one is Node.js. Node.js is a JavaScript runtime built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine. We will be using Node.js packages in React app while building the front end and even for the testing of Solana programs. You can head over to the Node.js website and download the build or setup according to your operating system. It is preferred to install the node with NVM, that is Node Version Manager. With the help of NVM, you can use multiple versions of Node.js and it also eliminates the permission error sometimes. Once downloaded, you can run the following command to check if node is installed correctly. Run the node -v command in your terminal. This command will return the Node.js version. For this tutorial we are using version 14.18.1. Make sure you use the same Node.js version to avoid any version error conflicts in the next topics. Then the next thing is Rust language. We will be developing the Solana program with Rust programming language. So to install the Rust, you can visit their official website. Make sure you export the path variable so that it can be accessed from anywhere from the terminal after the download and install. When you install Rust, you will also get the latest stable version of Rust build tool and package manager known as Cargo. To make sure you have installed the Rust perfectly, run the following command rustc --version. If the above command returns the version of Rust language, that means it is installed correctly. Otherwise, try reinstalling the Rust. Then the next one is Solana CLI. There are multiple ways to install the Solana according to your operating system. We will be using Solana to run the test validator node, generate wallet account key pair, airdrop the tokens and setting up the clusters, etc. You can follow the Solana documentations to install the Solana according to your operating system. At the end, you can check if the Solana CLI is installed correctly or not using the command solana --version. This will output the current version of Solana. For this project, we are using 1.10.8. It is suggestible if you use the same version to avoid any version mismatch errors. And the last one is Anchor. Anchor is a framework for building, testing and deploying Solana programs. If you are familiar with Ethereum, then you can see it as a hard hat for Solana. You can install Anchor from their website and finally check if the Anchor is installed correctly by running the command anchor --version. For this project we are using 0.24.2. Anchor is a very early project and it may keep updating its repo in future. If you use the latest version instead of the version used in this project, you may encounter with some errors. You can follow their up-to-date documentation or join their Discord to stay updated. So now all of our installations are done. Let's set up the local test environment for deploying and developing the Solana programs. You can also download the complete code from DApp World freebies section. See you in the next tutorial.